forex, crypto, stocks, or even options. The setup works. Seriously, it doesn't matter if you're a scalper hopping between 1 minute or 5 minute chart, a day trader using 15 minute or 1 hour charts, or even swing traders checking out 4 hour or daily charts. This buy-sell indicator combined with the best trend identification indicator on TradingView can fit any style. Today we're focusing on the Bitcoin chart because it's a perfect example to see how these indicators behave in real market conditions. The first indicator we're adding is one of the best free buy and sell indicators on TradingView, the intraday buy-sell indicator. Adding it is really simple. Head over to the indicator section on TradingView. Type in intraday buy sell into the search bar, hit enter. And click on the results to add it to your chart. That's it, it's added. Beginner friendly, fast, and ready to go. So how does this indicator actually work? It's pretty straightforward once you see it in action. The intraday buy-sell indicator combines a moving average like 70 SMA with RSI overbought and oversold conditions. These two elements work together to generate buy and sell signals directly on your chart. Essentially, it's scanning the price for points where momentum lines up with the trend direction. Check out this Bitcoin example with me. Here's the SMA line. When a breakout happens and the RSI conditions are met, the indicator generates a B signal. That's your buy signal. It's clean, clear, and easy to spot. You don't have to guess. And you can see exactly what the market is doing in the moment. Now flip over to the same chart and watch this. We get a bearish crossing on the SMA line and the indicator checks RSI again and boom, a S signal appears for sell. It's that simple. But here's the key point. Just because a signal pops up, it doesn't mean you should go all in or risk your entire account. These signals are guidance, not guarantees. You still need confirmation and a few tweaks to make smarter trading decisions. For example, look at this clear uptrend. You'll notice some buy signals pop up, but a few sell signals appears as well. Those are counter-trend signals. They go against the bigger market direction. Same in a downtrend. Even if the market is clearly moving lower, you might see a few buy signals appear. That's why adjusting the indicator settings is so important. It helps align signals with the overall trend. Here's how I do it. First, I increase the RSI from 14 to 21. This smooths out the signals and reduces noise from small, choppy price movements. You'll start to see the indicator focuses only on the stronger setups instead of flagging every minor fluctuation. Next, I adjust the SMA from 70 down to 45. This makes the indicator more responsive to shorter term moves, so you can catch timely entries. Now you'll notice the signals feel more in sync with the market. Then in the Style tab, I disable reverse signals. Trust me, this keeps your chart clean and avoid unnecessary arrows that can distract essentially when you're watching live price action. Even just these simple adjustments make a big difference. Weak signals get filtered out and the valid ones stand out. Now, here's the part that really confirms the trend. We're going to add a trend filter using the best cloud OLMA indicator. This is my favorite way to visually confirm whether you're in an uptrend or a downtrend. Go back to the indicator section again. Type in best cloud OLMA and add it to your chart. What this indicator does is really neat. It uses two moving averages to create a color cloud that instantly shows the market trend. You don't have to guess whether the market is trending or consolidating. The cloud tells you at a glance. Now, in the settings, go to the style and disable the shapes. You don't need extra arrows or signals. We just want the cloud to show the trend direction. Then in the Inputs tab, change the second EMA to 200. This captures the longer-term trend and prevents you from getting fooled by short-term price noise. And here's how to read it. If the cloud is red and candles are below it, the market is in a downtrend. And if the cloud is green and the candles are above it, the market is in an uptrend. To keep the chart clean, you can also hide the MA lines from this indicator. Check this in action on Bitcoin. Look at this part. The cloud is green, so the trend is up. That means any sell signals from the intraday buy-sell indicator are counter-trend and should be ignored. Only the buy signals are valid, which makes it easier to focus on the right trades and reduce mistakes. And when the trend flips, the logic flips too. See the section where the cloud turns red and the candles are below it? Now, sell signals are valid and any buy signals are counter-trend. By combining these two indicators, we're stacking confirmations. The buy-sell indicator shows potential entries and the cloud confirms the trend. A simple but powerful way to avoid chasing false signals. When entering a trade, here's what I do. For a buy in an uptrend, I place my stop loss slightly below the recent swing low or just below the cloud. This gives the trade room to breathe without risking too much. Then I set my take profit at 2x risk, keeping my risk to reward ratio consistent and disciplined. And here's a downtrend example. The cloud is red, candles are below it, and sell signal appears. This is a valid entry because it aligns with the trend. A stop loss goes above the recent swing high or the cloud, and the TP stays at 2x risk. Simple, visual, and effective. Finally, just to be clear, this isn't some holy grail system. No indicator is perfect. This strategy is about stacking evidence. SMA alignment, RSI confirmation, and trend filtering, so you can make more informed decisions and enter trades with better confidence. And if you want an even simpler buy-sell setup, I cover it in my recent video. Check it out right here on the screen. Happy trading!